Team, eyes on the ship. We need these pipes unloaded now.
Yes, ma'am.
Start with the scaffolding. Move it to the shore. Be careful. Keep the pace up. We're on the clock. All right, team, move. Get those base supports locked in now. Higher levels, brace. We need it stable. Double check. Good pace. Cross brace the sides. Watch for wave spray. Secure final connections. Let's go. Team, position the crane. Target the upper hull. Connect the hoses. Test pressure on the lower section. Good. Move to the next zone. Team, increase pressure. Target the upper sections. Copy that. Crew up. Crane heads, lift the scaffolding higher. Watch for falling debris.
Scaffolding clear. Moving to next panel.
Okay, team, let's move up and clear the midsection. That's it. Blast away the layers. Look at that progress, team.
All's looking solid.
Great work, everyone. Keep it up.
Almost there.
Up we go. Steady pace.
Copy that.
All right, team, fan out and clear this deck.
On there.
All right, team, let's get this deck cleared. Push it all toward the center.
Copy that. Moving toward you.
Good work. Keep it steady. Watch for the waves. Team, check the surfaces. Look for any residue.
Yes, ma'am. Checking now.
Good. Focus on the edges near the waterline.
All clear. Surfaces are clean.
Excellent work. Let's wrap up. All right, let's clear this section.
Yeah.
Good pace. Keep it up. All right, team, move out. Follow me. Watch your step.
Copy that, boss.
Stay tight. Keep your eyes open.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, focus on the railings first. Let's clear this deck.
Copy that. Moving debris now.
Good pace, team. Keep it up.
Rails clear. Bagging
Excellent work. On to the next section. Team, let's get this wall covered. Watch your overspray.
Yes, ma'am. On it.
Good. Keep it even. Move with me.
Looks good. Almost done.
All right, team, let's get this ceiling painted. Lifts up, machines on.
Copy that. Spray engaged.
Good. Keep the pressure steady. Watch the mist.
Mist drifting. Adjusting angle.
Perfect. Cover the beams. Almost there. All right, team, let's finish this. Even coverage, no drips.
Copy that. Moving in.
Perfect. Keep it steady.
Last section done. Done.
Excellent work, team. All right, team, first panel going up. Let's make it secure.
Lining it up now, boss. Feels solid.
Good, drill it in, full torque.
Panel's locked. Next one's ready.
All right, team, lift on 3.
Whoa!
Hold it steady, drill the corners. Drill it now.
Perfect.
Secure it tight. Looks solid, great work, everyone.
Yeah, feels sturdy.
All right, let's plan the next section. All right, team, hoist the next panel into position.
Lifting now. Watch the alignment. Steady. It's catching the beam.
Good. Drill the supports, make it tight.
Drilling complete. Panel secured.
Okay, team, final panels. Lift them slow and steady.
Copy that. Panels are rising.
Good. Align to the left edge first.
Aligned. Securing now.
Perfect. That's the last one. Look at the finished ceiling, everyone.
Incredible. The light is perfect.
This transformation is stunning. A beautiful space. All right, team, let's get this window secured. On my mark.
Copy that. Suction engaged. Lifting now.
Easy now. Guide it to the opening. In position, securing the frame.
Perfect, Emma.
All right, team, align it slowly.
Copy that. Aligning now.
Good. Now guide it in.
Panel is secure. Bolting now.
Excellent work. Lock it down. All right, team, let's get this first window up.
Copy that.
Easy does it. Line it up. All right, team, let's begin the descent. Slow and steady.
Copy that. Lowering now.
Perfect. Guide it in.
Set it secured on deck.
Okay, team, let's align the sofas precisely with the flower beds.
Copy that. Moving it now.
Good. Now secure the table base firmly.
Base is locked. Looks perfect.
Excellent work. That's a satisfying arrangement. All right, team, let's bring it down carefully.
Copy that. Lowering now.
Steady on the guide ropes.
Positioning complete.
Good work. Next one. All right, let's keep it steady, one scoop at a time. Good, now swing it wide to the right.
Copy that.
Perfect, let's keep this pace. Team, let's keep the pattern tight. Check your lines. Copy that, this section is aligning perfectly. Good. Watch for bubbles, keep it smooth. Team, let's begin the first row.
Copy that.
Good alignment, keep the pace steady. All right, team, press them tight. Let's get a precise fit. Good progress. Keep the spacing uniform. Perfect, secure that last one. Team, maintain a steady rhythm on those sanders. Keep the line straight. Good progress. Overlap the passes to avoid any uneven spots. Excellent work. Let's keep this pace up. All right, team, let's get the first panels up.
Copy that. Lift is clear. Ready on the right.
Lifts up, secure them.
Panel is locked in.
All right, start from the left. Fit those panels flush. Good. Now secure them. One by one, steady pace. Perfect. Keep it precise. On to the next. All right, team, steady on the alignment. Good. Now secure the far corner. Looking good, everyone. Almost there. Hold steady. Team, lock in the last fixtures. Steady hands.
Copy that. Wiring is secure.
Good. Power up the lights.
Lights are live. Testing illumination.
Excellent work, everyone. We're clear. Gently now. Make it perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
That's it. Almost there. All right, team, let's align the oven with the cart.
Copy that. Pushing forward now.
Good. Slide it in gently. Watch the edges. It's aligned, securing the base. Perfect. Looks solid. All right, team, let's get these first cabinets up. Quick and steady.
Copy that.
Good. Secure the brackets tight. Check alignment.
Aligned and locked.
Team, begin the lift. Precision is key.
Copy that. Lift's engaging.
Good. Guide the TV to the wall mount.
Aligning now. Almost there.
All right, team, let's align the screen precisely.
Copy that. Checking the mounts now.
Good. Secure the strap slowly.
Strap secure. Powering up.
Perfect. That's the spot. All right, team, let's get these sofas aligned perfectly. Slowly now bring the back section forward. Good. A little to the left. Hold it. Perfect. Lock it down. All right, team, let's begin. First row on the wall.
Copy that. Lifts are going up.
Good. Keep the alignment tight.
First panel secured. Moving to the next.
Excellent work. Keep the pace. All right, team, let's get these tiles perfectly aligned.
Yes, ma'am. Checking the fit now.
Good. Move to the next section.
On it.
Excellent progress. Keep the pace. All right, team, start the next section on the right. Watch the alignment on those edge tiles. Good. Keep the machine steady. Next row, same spacing. All right, team, let's get this enclosure set. Left side, raise it slowly to the top track. Good. Right side, align and secure the brackets. Perfect. Lock it down. All right, team, begin the alignment. Slow and steady.
Copy that.
Good progress. Check the edges for flush fit.
Aligned. Securing now.
Excellent. Proceed to the next section. All right, team, begin the descent. Slow and steady. Watch the alignment. Guide it down smoothly. Almost there. Hold position. Perfect. Lock it in. Final connections. Slow and steady.
Tightening now, ma'am.
Good. Check for leaks. The transformation is stunning. The marble work is flawless.
Thank you. It came together perfectly.
This is beyond expectations. Truly luxurious.